How would you like to feel like you live in a luxurious Airbnb or that you're on vacation every night when you pull into your driveway? Hi, I'm Claire Kennett with Coldwell Banker Realty, and this home offers just that. This home comes with a detached, rentable cottage with its own utilities and a 2-car garage. There is also a babbling brook that runs along the perimeter of this property, adding to the vacation and the zen-like feel of this home. Inside the 1774 Cape, you'll find it fully restored with all the updates that we have come to love so much. Why don't you come on inside and take a look?